Welcome to Engagi tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how we can use the Engagi on the X site. Open any post comment section. You will find the icon of Engagi there. You can see below the icon of Engagi. Click on this and you will get the AI pop-up to auto-generate the comment for the post. You can check your credit up here. Here you can see the details that is the post content. It will done directly from particular post. This will be needed to generate the comment section. You can even add your own lines if you want to add in this section. Next is the mood section. From here you can specify the mood and tone of the generated comment. You can choose from the option given and the output will be generated in that tone or mood. You can also select the custom mood. Select the custom checkbox and write the mood in the input box. You can either choose the custom mood or select from the given option above. Let's select Congratulations option here. Below is the Use Emoji section. You can select this option. This will add the emoji in the generated comment. Next is the response length. You choose the length of the generated comment. You have different option for that. You can see the length that will be generated in the output. You can generate it up to 300 words comment. Next is the promotion section. This is the best part that will help you in your product marketing also. If you want to add more promotion, click the Add button. You will see the input box to enter the details. Enter the title of the product first, and then add the content regarding it. After entering the details, click on the Save button, and your promotion content will be saved. You can also edit it by clicking on the Edit button. You will see the input content. You can make changes in that as per your choice, and then click on Save. If you want to delete any option below, just select the option and click on the Delete button. Then click on Confirm pop-up, and it will be deleted. Next is the AI modal. There are lots of options of the AI modal that you can proceed with. Option the drop-down, and you will find the different modals like GPT, Claude, and much more. Let's select the GPT-4o. Alright, you have completed all the steps. Now let's click on Generate button to generate the comment. You will see it generating text in the output box. After that, you will find your comment here. Now let's copy the comment from here by clicking the Copy button. Now close the pop-up by clicking the Close button. Now, paste this copied comment here in the comment section. You will find the comment is also with the product included. You can post this comment now. Alright, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.